Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zoho Projects for task management workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. Log in to your Zoho Projects account. Navigate to the dashboard where your projects are listed. Choose the project you want to configure for task management. Click on the Tasks tab located at the top of the project page. To create a new task, click on the Add Task button. In the pop-up window, enter the task name and description. Set the start and end dates for your task. Assign the task to a team member from the list of users. Select the priority level for the task, such as high, medium, or low. If necessary, add tags to categorize your task for easier tracking. Once all details are filled, click the Save button to create the task. To establish a workflow, navigate to the Workflow section in the project settings. Click on the New Workflow button. Give your workflow a descriptive name that reflects its purpose. Define the trigger for the workflow, such as when a task is created or updated. Specify the conditions under which the workflow will execute. Add the desired actions to be taken when the workflow is triggered. Click Save to finalize the workflow configuration. To monitor your task progress, return to the Tasks tab. Use the filters to sort tasks by status, assignee, or due date. Regularly update task statuses as work progresses. Encourage team members to provide comments and updates within tasks for effective communication. Review the task reports available in the Reports section for insights on productivity. Adjust workflows as necessary based on team feedback and evolving project needs. Make sure to regularly check for any updates or changes in Zoho Projects to enhance your task management experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.